Using case management, I can organize workflows for all inquiries, whether received via phone, email, chat, the Acumatica portal, or an external system. Customers use cases to organize everything from product returns to employee praise. Different class IDs drive different workflows using our no-code workflow engine. Cases are automatically assigned depending on case details, including the ability to escalate cases. In 24R1, we improved the ability to track commitments and enhance the way you close cases. This diagram shows a standard case workflow that I will demonstrate. After a customer opens a case, it is automatically assigned based on rules. The assignee can triage the case and easily reassign it or escalate if needed. The new owner can solve and close the case. This is an example of an incoming product question. The system automatically assigns an owner based on assignment rules. These rules can be configured to meet your specific needs based on data in the case. The case commitments are assigned based on the case class and severity. This includes requirements for the initial response time, subsequent response time, and resolution due time. In 2024-R1, we added time extensions to track service level agreements when severities are changed. We also added the ability to track the resolution time based on when support marks the case as solved. We maintained the current option to track the resolution time based on when the case was closed. Finally, we enhanced the work calendar. The system utilizes break time and exceptions to calculate when cases are due. Returning to the case, notice that the resolution date is 7 days instead of 5 because support does not work on weekends in the schedules presented. The case owner calls the customer and adds notes. The incoming and outgoing activity times are updated, and the initial response due date is cleared based on the outgoing activity. Based on this call, support decides to escalate to a product specialist and increase the case severity. After escalating, the system will automatically reassign the case because I created a business event. When I change the severity, the resolution time changes. According to my case commitments, I now have 5 minutes to provide a resolution. As the case owner, I provide an answer to the case via email. On my email, I mark the case solution provided checkbox. Once sent, the email activity is marked as complete and the time to resolution is updated based on my settings. When I close my case, 2024-R1 gives me an option based on the case class to require case closure notes. In this case, I'll enter notes based on the setting. Acumatica 24R1 includes several enhancements to improve time tracking on cases. You can utilize the new commitments on dashboards to keep cases on track and deliver stellar customer service.